Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be taking a brief look at the C-61 D-31 pole installation contractor license. Now, a pole installation contractor, it's pretty self-explanatory. A pole installation contractor installs wood or precast poles to support the wiring or cable that's installed by others, or installs and maintains flagpoles. And that's a definition straight from the CSLB website, and that's the Contractors State License Board. So essentially, if your business involves installing poles, then you need a C-61 D-31 license. Now, how long does it take to get a contractor license in California? You can expect an average time frame of about 90 days. Generally, you're looking at a 6 to 8 week application processing time, and then maybe another 3 to 4 weeks before you go and take your exam. Now, the basic requirements for a California contractor license are that you're at least 18 years of age, you need a valid driver's license or USAID, you'll need a Social Security or ITIN number, and you can't currently be on probation or parole. Your experience requirements are that you have at least 4 years full-time journey level experience installing poles that has to be within the last 10 years. You'll need somebody that can verify that experience, and you'll also need to be ready to submit documentation to the CSLB if they ask to see proof. Now, who can you use to sign off on your experience? You could use a general contractor. You could use somebody that holds the C-61 D-31 contractor license. You could use a foreman or supervisor, fellow journeyman, or employee. In some cases, you could even use a business associate. Now, criminal history. When you apply for a California contractor license, everybody has to do live scan fingerprinting. If you do have a criminal record, be honest on your application. As long as your charges don't fall under fraud, forgery, or embezzlement, you should be okay, but you've got to be ready to submit court documents to the CSLB just in case. Now, what can you expect on the exam? Well, you only have to pass one test. It's going to be 115 questions covering contractor license law. You'll have 3 hours. It's a multiple choice exam. It's going to be done on site on a computer, and under some circumstances you can bring a translator the day of the exam. Now, your CSLB law and business test covers business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and there'll also be a portion covering public works. Now, for additional information on study guides and practice tests online that can help you prepare for the test, you can actually check out the links in the description of this video. Now, after you pass your exam, you'll get your results immediately. You can typically do a retake within about 3 weeks, and then once you pay your license activation and provide a contractor bond number, the CSLB will send you your contractor license in the mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the costs include a state application fee. You'll pay a license activation fee and then a renewal fee every 2 years. You'll pay for the cost of fingerprinting, and you'll provide what's called a contractor bond number. Now, for the most up-to-date fees right now in California, I've got a separate video that you can check out that'll appear at the end of this one. Just want to thank you for watching. For additional information on getting licensed, bonded, trade skills, and more, you can check out our website, and you can also like and subscribe to this channel. And any questions that you have, feel free to drop them in the comments. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.